In this video, I'll show you how to connect N8N to Google Calendar so you can manage events and schedules right from your workflows. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Click the plus button to add a node and search for Google Calendar. Select it. This node will handle all your calendar events and tasks. Next, head to the credentials section in the node and click Create New. Choose OAuth2 as your authentication method. This secure process allows N8N to access your Google Calendar without exposing your password. Follow the Google prompts to log in and grant N8N the required permissions. Once done, your Google account is connected and your workflow can now interact with your calendar seamlessly. And that's it. You can now automate tasks, manage events, and boost your productivity using Google Calendar in N8N.